Hello, Click Designers. This tutorial is going to show you how to master checkout banner templates with the help of ClickDesigns funnels. First, you want to go to the template section. Then after choosing funnels, go to checkout banners. Here you can browse through several different types and niches of checkout banner templates. And of course, you can always choose to start from scratch. Now, when you find a template you want to edit, simply choose Use Template. Now, for this checkout banner, you can always customize and add in your own personal brand mockups over here. ClickDesigns has many different templates and types of mockups, such as devices, books, packaging, and more, which you can view over here on the side and also on the ClickDesigns template section. Now, if you'd like to customize and create your own product mockups with ClickDesigns, you can, and you can also always add your personal mockups over here on your checkout banner template. You can find your finished mockups by going underneath the My Designs tab and viewing all your recent designs here, or you can go to the template section, find a mockup that you want to use, and when you click on the plus icon, you can choose to click Add Template as Elements, so you can add in the mockup template, but still edit the mockup for your checkout banner. Now, as you can see, I have this mockup that I found from the Covers tab. And when you click on Edit Mockup over here up top, you can very easily edit the mockup for your checkout banner. Now, let's say that I added in my own mockups already. I just moved a few things around. I'm going to make this element larger and then move more elements. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the font of my design. I'm going to click on a text box, and using the drop-down menu, I'm going to customize the font to my liking. Once I have that, I'm going to change the font of this as well, and over here on the side. Then I can click on this icon over here to make this text box all uppercase. And then I can even recolor all of the elements by simply selecting and then choosing Edit Color. Here I can play around with the color slider, palette, and even the dropper icon to make sure that the entire design is cohesive. I can also add shadow to my mockups to add emphasis. Simply select, go to the shadow icon, and add that like so. And once you are happy with your changes, simply click on Save. You can download your design by adding in a file name, choosing a file type, selecting the number of pages, choosing the DPI, the quality, and if you'd like to add your checkout banner to a folder or add a watermark on it. When you go back to your dashboard, you'll be able to find your checkout banner underneath your recent designs. Here you can preview it, and then you can always go back to the editor to make any additional edits. So that is it. That is everything that you need to know when it comes to mastering checkout banner templates with the help of ClickDesigns funnels. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.